We're heading down towards the bay on this nice sunny day. The sun, I'll do a 360-degree counterclockwise turn. And we're going to, woohoo, goes my bicycle. Did you see it fall down? Not at all. I'm going to go up, 2 o'clock position, and back. I have the K&F, you got it, 1/4 black mist filter. I'm going to rotate around counterclockwise the same. My bike didn't fall this time. And I'm going to go to the 2 o'clock position, going down this way, up, and that should complete this test. Hopefully that won't cause any flares. I have a special lens on that you put that open lens cover hood. I glued a UV on, and I'm going to rotate the same counterclockwise 360-degree turn, and then at nighttime I'm going to do the same thing and see if this will take away those street flares. I'm going to go down or up, 2 o'clock position, and hopefully you won't get any flares. What I'm going to do is turn my camera around after I shut this off and see if I can see any flares in this super bright light. I cannot see the screen whatsoever. I'm at 50% brightness, and I'm just pointing it into the sun and rotating it around. And that concludes my test with my own personal homemade lens. This is what my lens looks like that I made. Now I have to let the glue dry. And this is without any lenses on. I'm going to go counterclockwise. And then I'm going to go into the sun again. I'm going to go all around. Just like so. And I finish it off by pointing to the sun on the next video. Well, it all depends on what you're looking for, because DJI heard us, and what they're going to be doing next in February is release the DJI Action 6 Pro. And that will correct your lens flare. I hope this video may have helped somebody out there. It put my smile, it put a big smile on my face if I did help someone out.